welcome back guys to another video. So today we're here with Subella hair once more. This is the wig that we got. We're working with some blonde today, so we're gonna get into that soon. And for goodies, I got a pair of lashes, a set of press-on nails, a set of mini brushes, makeup brushes, a pair of wig caps, and a Subella branded elastic headband. This is the wig that I got from Subella today. This is so gorgeous. This is their curtain bang, and oh my gosh, can we talk about curtain bang? They sent these two rollers in the front. How proactive are they? I love that. So this is their curtain bangs blonde hair with highlights, body wave, glueless HD lace human hair wig. Right, this is 26 inches long. I'm gonna put the specific density down below, but it come pre-curl, all that good stuff. It looks so good, guys. Like what? Let's get into the construction of the wig. It has a total of 5 combs on the inside, a adjustable elastic band, and adjustable straps in the very back. Right, so that looks good. And it's a 13 by 4 lace front. As I said, it's glueless, as I said, and I'm very excited to go ahead and get this installed. But it looks good. That really nice balayage vibe is going on, so I love that. It's very lightweight, by the way, but yeah, I'm really excited to go ahead and install this gorgeous trendy wig. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna cut down a bit of the lace so I can see what I'm doing. So already I love how nicely this complements my skin. You guys know I love a good blonde wig. I'm gonna go ahead and cut away the excess on the ear portion, then I'm gonna proceed to cutting away the excess for the rest in the excess lace in the front. But so far the lace looks good against my skin. Like I can tell it's not gonna be casty. And I'm gonna do a nice glueless install. As I said, this is a glueless wig, so we're only gonna use a bit of spray today. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and you see it fits perfectly now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you deeper than
This is how it's looking. I'm just gonna get my spray and just my lace bond spray and spray along the hairline, and then I'm gonna just tie it down to get it nice and laid. And I'll just let the elastic headband stay around the hairline for like maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. This is what we're looking like after a good 10 minutes wait. You know, it's melted, everything looks good. Now, before I even go in and unravel the rollers that came with the wig, I'm just gonna, you know, kind of run my fingers through these gorgeous loose body waves. It's that were done so nicely. The hair is not frizzy or anything. There is minimal shedding. I am getting some shedding, so you know it's processed. I hope you guys can see. So yes, I wish it was a little less shedding, and it is a little on the coarser side because it is blonde, you know. As I said, it is processed, so please bear that in mind. I love that it is toned It's like a nice ash blonde tone. It's not yellow. It's not giving that vibe. So that is gorgeous. This looks good. Honestly, they style this really good straight out of the packaging. And you guys know how much we love a good glueless wig, right? So let me go ahead and... Oh my god. Okay. I love these. These rollers are great for that like blown out vibe. Okay, they did their thing. Okay, they did their thing with these. It definitely has that gorgeous like curtain bang vibe to it. I love how it has that like fullness to it. It has the body. That is gorgeous. That's actually really stunning. That is stunning. I cannot lie. What? That is stunning. I love these bangs in the front. Because, you know, it's kind of like the star of the show with this wig. So what I want to do though before I move any further, I want to get the top a little flatter so we can have more of like that realistic vibe. But these rollers did what they were supposed to do. No need to recurl the hair because it came perfectly pre-styled. What? All right, I love this. Swoops aren't the new trend. Is that clean pullback look, as you know. So your lace has to be top tier, and this lace definitely is. It definitely is. Yeah, this did it for me. 100%. 100% this did it for me. Let me know what you guys think. It definitely needed absolutely no recurling. The hair isn't frizzy or anything. Like, it is perfect. Perfect. Shout out to Subella for today's gorgeous wig. You guys know it's the holidays and, you know, playing with your look and style is really fun. Sometimes you want to switch it up, and I feel like this is the perfect wig to do so with, especially since it's glueless. Not, you know, it's very convenient. Perfect. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested in getting this for yourself, it will be listed down below. Any sale, any deal going on right now, that will be listed down below, so please check it out. All the specifications are listed as well. Shout out to them because they did it. Love. But yeah, so that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.